Hi folks, this is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand, and very beautiful day here in Hawke's Bay on the 8th of November 2018, which incidentally, as you'll probably see on the page, is 81118. Did I get that right? Yep. Anyway, just a quick sort of look at the weather modification that's going on. And what we see, basically today there's been flooding in the west coast, the South Island, and that flooding is supposed to extend over into Canterbury region later on tonight. There's been gale force winds in Wellington, and during the day, apparently beautiful weather in Canterbury, beautiful weather in Hawke's Bay. I can't speak for the rest of the country. I haven't been able to catch up. I haven't had time to, but I thought I'd go onto the weather radars and look at what's going on, because obviously there is stuff going on. Now, this will make it easy to show. Now, all of this here, interestingly enough, you can see where it's coming from. And right up here there is a military base, and that's where it's coming from now, like originating from. And right through here there are in this area here there's a huge amount of there's something like 5 or 6 power stations that produce steam, which turns into cloud and is then pushed over New Zealand. So this contributes and boosts this whole thing right up. And so they bring this cloud cover over for New Zealand because they've got to protect New Zealand and give it plenty of rainfall, which, as you can see, is what's happening. And they alternate between the South Island and the North Island with these storms and so forth, so that everybody gets their fair share of inundation of or precipitation, however you want to put it. All big fancy words meaning more rain. Now, what's peculiar? Do you see that? It's just, to me, that's just stands out. You can see it's coming from here, and it's just, and then suddenly it tips off, and lets this thing roll through until they pull the next one off. Now, the weather, as far as I can see, is being, we've looked at this for a long time, is being managed on a global scale. And probably the next thing that will come through is whatever's cooking over here. Now, looking at this closer to New Zealand, this is the visual images radar. So what you see here are photographs from space of the cloud over New Zealand, and what you've got here is it's last night, so we'll come into today, and you can see this stuff cooking. Now, what we've got is all of the soupy cloud coming over, which is that stuff that we just saw here, this stuff, right? And what's interesting is how it changes when it's getting around here. Now you could say, oh, that's because there's ranges here and so forth, mountains, and it comes over. And no, that's not it. I swear that's not it. And you look and you'll see what I'm talking about in a couple of places. You can look at this, but look for yourself, even go to MetSurface and have a look at this. But see these here, this is electromagnetic frequencies, EMF, here, and you'll see it, that's at 9 AM. So this was going heavy today. You can see these lines here. See, it's not present here, it's present here, right? And then we go on, and we see it here, and I just wanted to, where was that bit that I saw? It was just fascinating. Oh, here we go. This bit here. And you can see it there. Right? And you can see how it's all this normal cloud until it hits this area here. And then it's like, so this is the area that they're working over with EMF, that from Canterbury right up through to central North Island. There's a whole area of EMF that they're working over, and that is what I see. So there we go, that's the report up to date. So yeah, that's what's happening. I guess that's all I really wanted to report, just so that I had that recorded and noted. Safe weekend for everybody, and we have lots more stuff coming up in a good way to counteract all of this. In 2019, we're looking forward to some really exciting expansion for Spiritual Awareness New Zealand. This is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand checking out.